This is the Flanagan Sports Complex in Sidney, Ohio. There's 4 baseball fields at this park, all completely underwater, along with the parking lot. This is an aerial view of Custom Border Park in the Flanagan Sports Complex in Sidney, Ohio. The road that you see running between the 2 flooded out parks is State Route 47. These are some of the flooded properties along State Route 47 heading into Sidney right before you get to the Custom Border Field. This is the Stolly Pedestrian Bridge in Sidney, Ohio. They've got it taped off. You're not allowed to walk across it right now with all this high water. Kind of see how high that river is right here. This is the south end of Sidney, Ohio. Looking at the Big 4 Bridge with Graceland Cemetery on your right. The road that you see running underneath the bridge here is County Road 25A, also known as the Dixie Highway. This is Gearhart Road and Dorley Road in Sidney, Ohio. Part of the road washed away here from the flooding. Parts of the road down there. That one's going to take a little while to fix. This is another view of the Big 4 Bridge. and also roadside park. You see, most of roadside park is underwater. This is an aerial view of Piqua, Ohio, Great Miami River. This is near the Loch 9 Park and Trevino Performance Pavilion. This is the Farrington Reserve Waterfall. It's just off of Peterson Road, north of Troy, south of Piqua, not too far off of County Road 25A. We've never seen this waterfall before in normal times. I gotta believe that all this rain has really changed the way this looks. See some steam rising off the water. I'm gonna take this Insta 360 and get you right down above the water. This area right here is a parking lot for the Farrington Reserve. Right now it just looks like a lake or a pond. This is the Great Miami River in Troy, Ohio, right off of County Road 25A, Barbie Memorial Park. Here we're driving on County Road 25A, also known as the Dixie Highway in Troy, Ohio. Taking a look at some of the flooded out residences along the road. This is the flooded baseball fields at the intersection of Eldine Road and County Road 25A. This is an aerial view of Eldine Road, which is closed due to the flooding. On either side of Eldine Road we have some baseball fields. They're all flooded out. You can also see the Eldine covered bridge. On the other side of County Road 25A on Eldine Road, you got a car that stalled out trying to get through the high water underneath the railroad overpass. Here comes a white GMC. This guy's saying, high water, no problem. He makes it through. Hey guys, today's Saturday, April 5th, 2025. Today we're going to bring you a video that we don't really like to do, but we've had a lot of rain here the last week, and especially these last couple of days. A lot of rain and very hard rain. Got a lot of flooding in our area. Right now we're in Sidney, Ohio, which is where we live. The Great Miami River runs right through this town. And we're also going to bring you some footage from Piqua, Ohio, which is 10 miles to the south of us. And also Troy, Ohio, which is about 20 miles to the south of us. And a lot of flooding here in Sidney and a lot down there in Troy. Piqua looks like it didn't do as bad as Sidney and Troy, but I just want to kind of...
The water was high in Piqua. It just didn't... They have a lot of...
levees
where they're higher, so stuff didn't get flooded.
Yeah, it seemed like their levee system was pretty good.
I'm just going to show you a few clips here and there of both towns, all three towns.
And it's been raining on us all day, so the drone footage isn't going to be as good as it normally is, because we flew the drone in the rain. Who says you can't fly a drone in the rain?
And it has dropped in temperature since this morning.
Yeah, it's a lot cooler right now, but anyhow, we put our old DJI Mini 2 up. It performed like a champ in this rain, but we had to be pretty quick and just get the shots and
come back down.
Get it down quickly and get it dried off and put away, because it was, some of them times I was a little surprised it came back. But anyhow, we just want to kind of show you what Mother Nature can do, and you know, all history is history, and some of it's good and some of it's bad, and unfortunately this isn't good history, but we just want to document it and show you what all these heavy rains and the flooding have done. And
we'll get all this heavy rains, then summer will come and it'll be dry.
But you know, all the damage that you see here, you know, you got to keep in mind these are people's homes and people's businesses, and you know, they're hurting, so you got to keep them in your thoughts when you watch this. It's not a good thing for them. So anyhow, that's all I really have. We'll let the video tell the story.
Yep.
So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Hopefully not too many more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching.
See ya down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.